Hi guys, welcome back to the Python Basics series. This is episode 2. Today we'll be talking about strings. A string is a type of data type in Python. Let me show it to you before I explain it. U is our variable. We'll be using variables. We talked about this in our previous episode. Quotation marks indicate the beginning of our string and the end. Be the best. Then we have to print it. This we also talked about in the previous episode. Print U. We get be the best. So in this case, be the best is our string. A string is basically anything. It can be wording or numbers, because that's usually what it is. Okay, now that you know the basics of a string, let's have some fun with it. I'm going to show you how to put the same string in multiple lines. So let's put a new variable, u1 equals, to put it in multiple lines, we have to triple quote, be the best, close our triple quote. Then let's print u1, be the best. See, it prints u1, which is putting it on all different lines. Cool. Now I'm going to show you how to index. Indexing is basically taking a part of the string. Let me show you. Print. We'll be indexing u today, so let's put u square bracket. Let's do 4. Comes with h. So it took h from be the best. So Python assigns every letter and space a number value, starting from 0. So b is 0, 1, space is 2, 3, 4. 4 is h. Cool. Now I'm going to show you a new function. So we'll use print, which is our command. Print. Our new function is len, L-E-N. It is short for length. So this function is used to find the length of something. So length of u. So this will help us find the length of u. 11. When we're finding the length, there is no 0. So if you count starting at 1, it'll be 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is the basics of string. We'll go more in depth later. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.